Hello everybody, you are watching the channel Learn to Earn for Life.
Let me find the condition for maximum efficiency of a transformer. If I take input power as V1 into I1 into cos phi1, where V1 is the primary applied voltage, I1 is the primary current, and cos phi1 is the power factor of the primary. Hence, efficiency is equals to neta is equals to input minus losses divided by input, where losses can be further represented as copper losses and iron losses. So this expression will become efficiency will be equals to input minus copper losses minus iron losses whole divided by input. This is expressed as V1 I1 cos phi1 minus I1 square R01 minus Wi, where R01 is the effective resistance of the transformer referred to primary side, and Wi are the iron losses, whole divided by V1 I1 cos phi1. Hence further it can be written as 1 minus I1 R01 divided by V1 cos phi1 minus Wi divided by V1 I1 cos phi1. The condition for maximum efficiency is when, if we take the derivative of the efficiency expression with respect to primary current I1, that is dN by di1 when it is equated to 0, and after solving it we will get Wi is equals to I1 square R01. Here Wi is the iron loss and I1 square R01 is the copper loss. That is, the efficiency of a transformer is maximum when the iron losses and copper losses are equal. The copper loss of the transformer may also be written as I2 square R02. For the maximum efficiency, we can write Wi is equals to I2 square R02. We can write I2 as equals to square root of Wi divided by R02, where R02 is the effective resistance of the transformer referred to secondary side. This equation gives the load current for which the efficiency of the transformer is maximum. The kVA of the transformer at which the maximum efficiency occurs is derived as like this. Let Wi is the iron loss of the transformer and WCU is taken as full load copper loss. Here the efficiency is maximum when the copper loss is equals to iron loss. As Wi is a constant loss, the kVA output at maximum efficiency is that kVA at which WCU, that is copper loss, is equals to iron loss. Let us take X is equals to kVA output at which efficiency is maximum. Then WCU is directly proportional to full load kVA square, as Wi is equal to the copper loss at X kVA. So the iron losses will be directly proportional to X square. So by using these expressions, we get X divided by full load kVA whole square is equals to Wi divided by WCU. Therefore, X is equals to full load kVA into square root of Wi divided by WCU is equals to full load kVA into square root of iron loss divided by full load copper loss. Hence, the efficiency at any load and power factor is given by meta X is equals to X into kVA into 1000 into power factor whole divided by X into kVA into 1000 into power factor plus Wi plus X square into WCU, where X is expressed as a fraction of full load. It can be taken as 1. X can be taken as 1 for full load. X can be taken as half, 1 by 2 for half load, 3 by 4 for 3/4 load, and so on. Thank you for watching this video.